Good morning! It is day 2 of our camping trip at Lake Casitas.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Krackel. Good morning, Pa. This morning we have some warm soup. It was chilly last night, but luckily I had camp mode on my Tesla. How was the temperature last night in here?
Oh, freezing cold.
Freezing cold.
Because we don't know how to turn on the furnace yet.
Yeah, but they figure it out in the morning. So they're warm in the morning, but last night it was very chilly. So make sure you wear a lot of clothing when you camp over here, because it does get really cold. Because my car has a sunroof during camping, I like to put a shade so it doesn't get too hot in here. Yeah.
Dami na nila. Galing sila dun sa ano eh.
Let's eat! This morning we have Filipino salad, we have rice, fish. Drive around tayo, let's see how it is.
Ganda kami doon sa water adventure.
Oo, layo talaga naman at inamit ang bike. At saka
Summer lang bukas.
may park ranger.
Yan o. Yan na kami kain.
Wow! Ang sabi. Sarado nga. Wow! Galing. Park store.
So this is Pier Campground. It's nice here
Oh,
too.
pero tingnan mo naman, by the lake talaga sila.
Yeah.
Wala overflow.
Yeah, overflow. Ibig sabihin, Papa, pag napuno na yung mga original camp nila, campsites, then ano, ito picnic area lang.
This is Camp Grebe.
Parang Grebe, ano? Grebe,
Yeah.
sabi nung
Grebe.
lagi daw siya dyan sa Camp
Camp
Grebe.
Grebe.
Yeah, diba? Kasi you can go in any campsite.
Ako lang yung iba dun, no, di ba?
So
Nag-ano
this is
lang night,
Camp
tapos
Ground Grebe.
Grebe, yan.
Mm.
So you can check the campground. Tingnan natin which one. Ayoko to. Gusto ko yung parang doon.
Yeah.
Parang yung family natin kung ano. Kasi yun yung lake, oh.
Yeah, you get. It's nice
Ang gusto
here.
ko lang
You have
yung
a.
ano,
Oh, they like it because you have a view of the island, main island.
Yes,
Yeah. Road's a little bit
dito,
on the
maganda tayo sa
bumpier
plata.
side.
Hanap tayo ng plat.
Oh yeah, it's not. Yeah, somewhere here, huh? Yeah. Oh, even that spot. That
Ito,
spot's nice too.
This
This is
is nice.
20,
23. This is
21, 22, 23.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So Grebe 21, 22, 23 looks nice.
Yes. Okay,
Yeah.
ito
Yeah,
kuya,
here,
oh.
yeah.
This one, 23, 24.
G24,
25.
G25.
Yes,
Yeah.
23, 24, 25.
Yeah, those are nice. Yeah, it's on the water. All right, so we're gonna head to the Lake Casitas store just to check it out to see what they have inside. The park store. Oh, you can camp by the park store too. Nice.
Meron number on.
Oh, nice.
Yung gusto nila kasi, ano.
Malapit sa store.
Nice. Yeah, they have a lot of snacks, souvenirs, water, camping gear. Oh, they have some food here too that you can cook and grill. And of course, drinks. Are you looking for anything specific, Mom?
Oh, nothing. I just wanna
We just wanna look
window or
window shopping, but we already kind of brought everything we needed, but we just want to take a look what's here. We have different canned foods, and also some cooking supplies too. Lake Casitas. And some toiletries as well if you forget some stuff. Some cleaning supplies and cookware. Electrical. They got some, looks like some toys and some arts and candles. And if you need some swimwear, well, you can't swim in the lake, but maybe when the water park is open. And then some clothing as well. Looks like, oh, they have tank tops, that's nice. Some gifts. All right, so the gift store was the. Oh,
that puppy for sale. Puppy.
Na-export me.
He kissed me. Dito ka pala mag-ano ng basta wala lang doon na nakalagay. Kasi kung may dog daw at bawal pala yun, hindi kami pwedeng pumunta doon.
Here is a small pier on Lake Casitas. But yeah, this is where you can go fishing.
Emmy, wait, okay?
It's a nice pier here where you can go fishing and you can get the view of the lake and also main island. Really nice. There's a large parking area over there, but you can also park near the pier. Just makes it easier so you don't have to walk so much. This is Campground Fox. And this is a paved campground?
Yeah, paved yung driveway.
Oh, okay.
Ito may hookup.
Oh, it's paved and has water and electric hookup. Oh yeah, all the RVs are here.
Oh, pero, pwede ka mag-ano ng liter, ng ano, di ba?
Yeah, it looks like a popular place. But this is the campground across the lake from our campground that we chose.
Yeah.
Fox Campground. Where's our RV? Can you see? Oh, there. You can see our.
Yeah, ayan o.
You can see Van Gogh.
Yan, kasi yung may pop-up.
Nice. The sun has set, and I just want to show you again the view from base campground. Pretty quiet, pretty serene, but it's very beautiful. See the reflection of the lake, and across we were just there, but you could see a lot of RVs, lots of families camping here. Yeah, very nice. This evening we have some vegetables and some barbecue for dinner, and we decided to watch Catch Me If You Can.
Speaking of French, 6 weeks later. Someplace exotic. Just tell me where you're going.
Listen, Hollywood.
Let me ask you a question, Mr. Andreski. If you're having so much fun undercover, why did you transfer the bank from? I didn't transfer. Censured, reassigned. The Flash.
Okay, so it's nighttime now. We are getting ready for bed. I need to set up my car so I can sleep comfortably, but I have to move some stuff. It's a bit chilly, and I have a really nice neck warmer cover, which keeps me real warm and toasty. So I just have some stuff to clean up. I like to use the red lights at nighttime because it helps signal to your brain that it's time to go to sleep. I have a cushion that's made for the Tesla, and it's a solo bed, so I can sleep on one side and have my other stuff on the other, so I have room for some of my things that I want to keep. Alright, I'm gonna get ready for bed, so good night. I'll see everyone tomorrow. So I thought we were gonna go sleep, but we have midnight. Well, it's not midnight, 8 o'clock night snack.
It's still too early to sleep.
I already said good night to our viewers. My viewers, eh.
Yeah. Ang sarap pa naman, may heater, oh. Oh my God. Papa, you want bibingka kalamay? Huh? Of course.
Papaya tastes good.
Sabi mo, good night na eh.
Ayan na, masarap eh. Parang aeroplano, di ba? Magta-take off. You want some snack? Of course!
Iba na chicken, yung mga tulog, chicken o ano? Pasulat na yung ano nila, chicken nila.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Nilagay nila sa papel?
When you're sleeping in the plane and you hear beef or chicken. Oh, he's sleeping.
Sigaw ka lang, ha?
Totoo na good night na. Good night. Alright, good night.
Good night.
Good night,
Love you.
Krackel. Good night. Love you. Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow na.